pair of his gum boots. He fit me so well.
Her boots are inside those boots.
In his shop.
What happened to them? These are the two out of Shut up and give me your change. I've been looking for these for a month. Give me your change. God, it's hard to get me to help. Okay, then we're gonna go get the change. I can just see this.
Rip, come on this side, come around. Stand here.
It's gonna be all bad, Avery.
Just take a hook onto it and see if you can pull it a little bit straight.
Thinking we should run out this fiber mat to help us for traction.
What?
If we unroll this stuff, I'll ride on top of it. Whatever, we'll try it without it. At least we have it here.
Stop talking for a while.
Why don't you put it in the middle? Look it back to itself.
Be too easy. We'll back up and see if we can pull it.
Turn the wheels, Dave.
It ain't gonna matter, just pull it.
Want me to go into the wheel?
Lift it up.
I don't want to wreck
I'm
nothing.
not wrecking nothing. Keep going. Lift it up. Now back up. Put your bucket down.
I know.
Back up.
Hey, quit talking. Oh, yeah.
Interesting stuff. What's interesting? You always,
Should have spread this stuff out.
you always do it.
You want this stuff spread out, Mike?
Hang on.
You want this stuff spread out, Mike?
Well, see, I got traction. This is like a filter cloth. If we lay it out
Here,
behind
hold
me, wait a sec, let me try and get off this piece. Avery, unhook for a sec.
Hey. There's a piece right behind it.
David, unhook this and I'll try and get past it, right?
How about back up further and put the chain along so you're farther away from
I
it?
can't. I want to take a run this way. I'm just sinking.
Your thumb's probably in the way.
Okay, lay that stuff out in front of me. Man, this is gooey.
They're real handy. Look at the shorter one. Grab the
Fork's
bigger.
gotta drive ahead. Try to replace fucking with free kick. Just put your
Come on. Honey, come on.
It's all facing me the whole time, too.
Do you want me
Okay,
to
now
spread
we
back?
want to put it behind us. Right, maybe that little one.
This one will still go back.
Okay, yeah.
put your forks down. I don't know why do you want to get this close to everything?
I'm a touchy-feely kind of guy.
Okay, get back as far as you can and hook a chain to it and pull it out.
Okay, hang on, I don't want to run over Rachel.
Now, back up, lift it up, pull it close,
Yeah,
put it
back
down,
up,
and back up.
Yes.
Pull it close and back up.
Why, you can't be doing
Yes, mon capitaine. Will you ever shut up?
I can't.
What did you say?
So you just kind of put your forks down, Mike.
Let me put the forks up.
Now put it down, quit spinning. Now lift it up and pull it towards you.
What I'm doing.
Okay, set it back down now and back up. Hey, set your forks down. Hey.
Oh, this is gooey. This is friggin' gross. Drain your wheels a bit. Oh. This is as bad as a field of dreams.
Why am I taking this thing again?
You need the back seat.
I do. I need the windshield.
Yes. You might need the wiper.
Bunch is fully out. Doing something. No.
Hey! Put your forks all the way down.
You always have to grab it. You always want to get a shot. Reset, and then everything has to be usable. Okay, we gotta move those.
Oh, up and down.
Hey, the rotisserie.
Move that over there, whatever. I can't see on that side.
You gotta come around. Rachel won't be able to move it. Oh, hurry yourself. Hurry, Avery. Hey. Hey. You think I can try and get over to the building? Because we're gonna drop in the lake here pretty quick.
You guys want to go back there?
We can't.
I can tell you that you're going to go through.
Yeah, you need to.
Okay, unhook.
You guys can he's not moving right now. I think my truck is going to end up looking like Mike's truck by the end of this day.